Hi, welcome to this user guide covering the new verified badge that's available in Dronedesk. So if you go into settings and then click on verified badge, what we've created is an image essentially that you are able to paste into your website with the option of including flight count and hours of flight. The idea being that it will increase customer trust or client trust in your brand and validate your PFCO status. So there are a number of options. You can just have the badge on your site. It will always include your PFCO number, assuming that you have it set in Dronedesk. If you don't, then add it in My Profile. You then have the option to link it from your site to a page that contains some further information. So it's branded as Dronedesk, but it will also have your brand on it with your trading address, and these are as per you have entered in My Profile. It explains what the CAA permission is, what your permission number is and when the expiry date is, and then a bit about Dronedesk and some stats, which is based live on what you've currently got recorded in Dronedesk. So the configuration options are you can either have the stats showing, flights and hours, or you can have it without. So that'll be a slightly smaller badge with no numbers, but again, it will still include your PFCO. And you can elect not to have it linked to this further information page if you want. So it would just sit on your page as a static image. And then again, you've got an option as to whether or not to show stats on the page. So if you untake that, it just expands, it removes the stats section off that page. And then a further configuration option is just to have it as a darker background. It's your preference depending on the look and feel of your site, I guess. Okay, so once you've got it set up as you want it, it's a simple case of copying the code and pasting that into your website wherever you want it to appear. And generally speaking, I'd recommend that you put it in the footer of your page. That seems to be where it would be most effective. Okay, so there you have it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.